Yeah, 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 yeah. What's up, beauties? It's your girl Special Nicole, and I'm back with another video. This video is going to be another one of my I don't know what's going to happen with this look videos, because I really want to try the pipe cleaner look with my Microlocs, but I have no idea how to do them. So yeah, let's jump into this tutorial. We'll see if it comes out good or not. So I'm going to be starting on freshly washed hair. So I just washed my hair. It's damp right now. And I've already oiled it, moisturized it or whatever. So the only products that I'm going to be using are going to be the Talia Wahi Crinkles and Curls styling lotion, and then of course pipe cleaners. Okay, so the pipe cleaners that I got are from Walmart. I got 3 packs of these fuzzy sticks. They were 82 cents and they all have 25 in there. So I hope I have enough. We're gonna see. But that's 75 pipe cleaners. Hopefully I can do this entire head. Yeah. Let's get started. So I'm going to start in the back. So I'm going to go ahead and section off the front slash top of my head. A couple of days ago when I actually bought the pipe cleaners, I attempted, it was a fail, but I twisted it up to kind of be the length that I wanted. I don't know, there's not many videos on how to do this with medium length. I don't even know if this is medium length. I still think my hair is short. So short to medium length, sister locks, Microlocs. Y'all know I got Microlocs. But searching, I could not find any help. So I'm just out here taking the leap. So from the videos I saw, I'm gonna untwist this one for y'all. You can see just how long one is. So most of the videos I saw, they either cut or bend it in half and then create a loop at this bended end and then just twist. So that's what I did. Now some people will use 2 at a time. I'm going to try my hand at using just 1 since I only have 75 and I don't feel like going back to the store, especially not with a half done head. So I'm gonna twist it down, and then when I did my trial run, this length was still a little too long. So I'm just going to bend this end and twist it around. From the videos I saw, this looped end was at the bottom, I think. Looped end's at the bottom. So yeah, I'm gonna take a section and let's see how this goes. So I think this is like 5 locks. So yeah, we have like 5 locks. So I'm going to, this is like the tricky part, the rolling. I'm going to start up top, I think. I feel like it's easier to roll from the bottom than the top. We're going to try that. We're going to try rolling from the bottom to the top. I feel like it leaves me with too much left out at this end, but we're going to see. So we rolling on the river. Doop, doop, doop. I'm gonna take this and bend it down to secure it. And this end, I'm gonna bend it up. And this is what we have here. I don't know. Let's try another section and see. Child, I'm always doing something. So I'm trying to get a nice square section so twists aren't like too far away. So I have my section here. I'm going to take my pipe cleaner again, same thing, bending it in half, keeping the loop at the tip. I'm gonna make a smaller loop this time, and then just twisting it down. And then once I get all the way to the bottom, I'm just going to take this tip and twist it around. And voila. I forgot to add foam to the last one. I'm not taking it back out though. So I just added a little bit. And I'm gonna try to do it from the top. Yeah, there's no way to do it from the top. You have to do it from the bottom. I'm gonna just wrap. Like I need to start closer to the top. I just wrap, 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 and wrap, and wrap. But now when I do this, it's like upside down because I wanted this loop at the bottom and not at the top. So I didn't do this one right. But you know what? If it is wrapped. But it's sticking out. Child. I like the length of this one better than I like the length of that one. But I think I need to start with the loop up top so that once I finish rolling, the loop will be at the bottom instead of being at the top. Another pipe cleaner again, bending in half, twisting around for a loop-de-loop, twisting it down. And twisting the bottom up. I should have pre-made all of these so I wouldn't have to twist them each time. So pro tip, pre-bend all of your, I was about to call them flexi rods, pipe cleaners beforehand. So then you can also make sure they're all the same length. And then so you don't have to keep stopping in between each one to do it. You can just pick up and go. So this time we're gonna roll with the loop at the top of this one. And when I get to the top, see now my loop is at the bottom. So I'm gonna bend the top over to secure it and then bend the loop upwards to secure the bottom. And I forgot to mention, I did get black because I want to be able to wear my, whatever these are called. I keep wanting to call them everything. Pixie sticks, child, pregnancy is something. I wanted to be able to wear the pipe cleaners as a style and then take them out later on in the week after I've worn them for a little while. So we'll see how I feel about that, how they look. I don't know. But so I've shown y'all 3. I know it's a little harder to see since I'm working on the back of my head. So what I'm going to do is just finish the back, and then once I get to the front, I'll bring y'all back so y'all can see, get a closer up look or better view of what I'm doing to my hair. So I'll see y'all in a few. All right, so to the front, this is all I have left. These are all the pipe cleaners that I have left. So what I'm trying to do is kind of have something that a bowl shape kind of frame my head. So for this little pieces in the front, I use 2 pipe cleaners because my hair in the front is The locks in the front are a lot thinner than the ones on the rest of my head, so when I was using just a single one, they were coming out a lot thinner. Like this one, you can see is a lot thinner than the rest of them. So I used two so that these can match the shape or the size of the rest of the ones on my head. But for this section, I'm gonna go back to using just one pipe cleaner because I want to kind of fill it up some in the middle. Still the same process, just grabbing a section, using the foam, and then applying the pipe cleaner. Still doing the same method of twisting it down. Alright y'all, so I am back with my hair. I added this headband. This headband was featured in a video that I filmed like last year. I'll link it down below with D.O.M.E products. When I first got it, my hair was a lot shorter, so I couldn't really use it how I wanted to, but I thought it would be perfect with this new hairstyle just to zhuzh it up just a little bit. So how I feel about the now I'm about to call it pin curls, pipe cleaners. I like them. They're just so stiff, but I know that's how they're supposed to be. But I do like them. I like having a hairstyle that I know I can get up and I don't have to do anything to my hair in the morning. Which, I mean, that's with Microlocs anyway, but still, just like I like having these kind of protective styles. I'm getting into that season with my hair where I'm starting to enjoy that. I think that I probably should have cut mine instead of folding it in half, even though I made it work, but especially in the front where my hair is shorter than in the back. I was running into issues where the pipe cleaner would be a little bit too long for the section and I would have to keep bending it to make it shorter so that it would fit. I mentioned earlier how I think I should use less Microlocs per pipe cleaner so that it could be fuller. I still feel that way, and if I did the style again, I would buy additional pipe cleaner so I can have more so that I could use less to have a fuller look. Yeah, and those were my only thoughts. I do like that you can literally, like, I can bend it any which way I want it to go. You can make it a curl, like I can make all of them little S curls or something, like bend it any which way. So I do like that. So it's a lot of different things you can do with them when they're styled this way. It's just they're a little stiff, but would I do it again? Heck yes, I really like it. I just know that I could have done it differently, but for the first time, I'm not mad at it. It's different. I'm not mad at it. Like I said, I'm gonna wear it until about Saturday, and then I'm gonna take it out. I will record the takedown and the styling process of the curls once I do take them down, just so y'all can get twofold. You can get a look at me installing them and how I'm going to wear them, and then you can get a look at how they come out after several days of wear. Because some people put the pipe cleaners in just for a night and take them out in the morning because they want the curls. So I'm gonna give y'all both versions. This is if you just want to wear them. But comment down below, let me know what y'all think about the look and if you will try it on your own locks. And yeah, I will see y'all on the next one.